If you're a business owner that's doing over 7 figures and you're building a property portfolio concerned about land tax, there is a more important tax that's likely costing you far more than you really understand. Now, I have business owners reaching out to me all of the time worried about land tax. As you might know, that land tax thresholds vary from state to state. Some states don't even have a land tax threshold at all. And worse yet, when you're looking to build your portfolio through family trusts, companies, and other entities, those thresholds can be even further reduced. But the harsh reality is that land tax is just a cost of building a property portfolio. I've never had one of my clients who has a high-performing property portfolio lose their shirt or erode their profits significantly as a result of land tax. Now, we need to understand that property is one of the most highly taxed things in this country. We pay stamp duty. We pay capital gains tax when we sell. We pay tax on any earnings that we produce. We pay land tax. These are all things that need to be put into your overall property strategy because we're in property for one reason, and that's one reason only. We're looking to appreciate our asset base, to increase our net wealth, and get to a point where we can create financial freedom, right? So the important thing that my most successful property buying clients do is 3 things. 1, they create a holistic property strategy. This is about starting with the end in mind. What is the passive income target and the net wealth goal that you are working towards? 2, they understand the fundamentals of property. They look at what is actually going to make the property grow. What's going to allow them to increase the yield over time? Where should they be buying, and what is the timing, the structure, and the debt facilities that they're going to use to acquire those properties to allow them to accelerate their path to achieving their goals? And 3, they keep the appropriate cash reserves to ensure that things like land tax, income tax, and the other costs associated with holding property are not going to burn a hole in their pocket and cause them financial hardship. Because here's the reality. Property is an illiquid asset. It's expensive to buy, it's expensive to hold, and it's expensive to sell. But it's only expensive in comparison to the returns that you produce. When you get your numbers right, then it shouldn't be an issue. So if you want to find out how you're tracking towards financial freedom, click the link below and complete the financial performance scorecard. It'll take you about 5 minutes and you'll get a customized report that'll show you exactly how you're tracking towards financial freedom and whether actually building your property portfolio is the right next thing for you to focus on. Click the link below, complete the scorecard, your future self will thank you.